Hey everyone. Welcome to part 17 of our Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll dive into tuples in Python, from understanding their structure to exploring built-in functions and mastering indexing. This session has everything you need to become confident with tuples. Let's get started.
Let's deal with tuples. What are tuples? Can anyone tell me? What are tuples? Can anyone tell me what are tuples? I'll rename it. Here we'll deal with sets, dictionary, and tuple. Okay? We'll deal with these things. Having immutable nature. Yeah. Tuple is nothing but immutable. Mutable, when we are talking about list, I told you what is mutable, right? You can change the list elements. You can delete it, you can add it, whatever you want, you can do it. What happens in tuple? Will you be able to add elements in tuple? Will you be able to delete elements in tuple? Okay. What is the use of tuple? This might be a question in your interview sometimes. Okay. Elements are what? They are same like lists. Here, they are same like list. The only thing is, but objects are immutable. Okay. When we assign variable values, bulk way. Okay. Any other use with this? Any other use? Iteration over elements is faster actually. Okay. Iteration over elements is faster than list. It means like using tuples are more faster than using list. Okay. Faster than list. And if you don't want to change your 1 minute. If you don't want to change your data over time, you can go with tuple. Means mostly in bank sectors they will use this only. Okay. If you don't want to change your data over time, okay. Frequently, if you don't want to change your data, then you can use this tuple. Okay. And iteration over elements is faster than list for this tuple. Okay. And next, how to declare a tuple. I have shown you how to declare a set, right? Similarly, how you can declare a tuple. Okay, I'll show you. Tuple is equal to, you can take this way. Empty round brackets. This gives you an empty tuple. See, okay. And similarly, you can add any elements. T is equal to some 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, like that. What happens here? Okay. This is tuple elements. If you want to know the length of this tuple elements, okay, fine, you can get the length of the elements, but you cannot perform some things like you cannot add element, you cannot delete any element. Okay, you cannot add an element, you cannot delete an element. So we don't have any adding function and deleting function for tuple. Okay, we cannot change your data. Once if tuple was declared, you cannot change the data. Okay. So now see what other things you may have. Same like max you can have. Okay. Max of t you'll get 7. Similarly, min function you can use min of t, you'll get 1. Okay. You have these things. I'll write this here so that minimum of tuple you can get. Okay. And similarly, this is clear, right? If you want to, how you will access the element. So t same. Previously, how we are taking in the same way. Okay, t of 0. Index is same. How we are taking for list, you have the same thing. How you can access elements in tuple, same. Okay. In this way you can get it. And similarly sum also you can take. Some of the important things I'm showing you, what all things that you can take. Okay, what are the different things that you can take, I'm showing you. Okay, sum of t, what you'll get if you take sum of t. Oh, capital I have given, it's small actually. Sum of t. Okay, even you can take sum. Okay, like this you can take sum, and you can use sorting too. Is it possible to use sorting? To use sorting, what I need to do, I'll show you. Okay, is it possible to take sorting? I'll take different values, right? Instead of taking this 7, comma 8, comma 9, comma 3, comma 2, comma like this. Okay, now sorted. We don't have that sort function. We have sorted of t. Okay, we have different things in tuple and different things in list. Just showing you this is a new one that you are finding out of that list. Okay, when you're taking this tuple, and how to take an input value for a tuple. How to take it? Yesterday I have shown you, right? How to take it. Same thing. Okay. Here, tuple is equal to, okay, tuple of map of, okay. Here hint comma input dot split. Take some values. 23 comma 3 comma anything value. It's giving arrow. Yeah, you cannot directly apply this. Build map of hint comma input dot split. Okay, this thing it is showing error actually, not that part. Okay, okay. 1 minute change. Similarly, yesterday I have shown you, right? Similarly, take tuple here. 8 comma 9 comma 2 comma 8 comma 7 3 anything. Okay. Now run this. See, in this way you can take input value for tuple. Clear? How to take input value for tuple? You're getting it, right? How to take it? Input value for tuple. Oh, sorry. I came to this yesterday's one. Clear, right? How to take input value for tuple. And similarly, you can use that count function. This even you have it for list also. When we are dealing with list, I'll show you all the different functions. Okay. One more session we have for the inbuilt methods. This list and tuple here, I'll be taking some, but completely for programming part, I'll be taking one more session for it, for all the inbuilt functions. And please try to attend Lambda class also. Like I'll be dealing with one class for Lambda. There also I'll show you in a very short way how you can code. Different skills you can acquire by listening to all these things. If you can follow, you can learn so many things. Okay. Next, count. How to take this count? Count in the sense, is there any repetition? We have 8, right? You can check the count here. T dot count of 8, it needs to return what? It needs to return 2. Why? Because you have 2 times, right? Similarly, you can take any other element too. If you take 9, it will return 1. What if some other value, if you take that doesn't exist in tuple, it will return 0. Okay. By using these things, you can write some logics. If there is any some placement drive in your college, it helps you. If you can follow this, it helps you. Okay. Index next. Moving with index. Okay. T dot index of any element. That means like I'll take 8. See, is there any index value? Like not 8 here. Before that, once I'll print the tuple values, I'll print this 2. Okay. So otherwise I'll print this 3. You'll get 4. 4 we don't have it now. 4. Seriously. Okay, sorry. By elements it will take actually. Here you have it, right? If you take 100, it will raise an error. Okay. If you take 45, sorry, 45, it needs to print what? It needs to print 5. Okay. With elements, it is giving the index value. Okay. With elements, it is giving the index value. These things are useful for you while you are doing coding part. This will help you. Focus on this all things. Okay. How you can add elements? How to coding part. This will help you. Focus on this all things. Okay. How you can add elements? How to add elements to tuple? Is there any possibility? We don't have it. To that, what we need to do? Convert tuple to list, add elements, again convert list to tuple. That's the only method what you can do. Okay. And converting is nothing but typecasting. We have already done some things, right? Typecasting. So if you take T, I want to add 100. So what I'll do? T is equal to list of T. Okay. Now see. Okay. Now T dot append of 100. Okay. If you see T, you're getting it. So T dot append of 200. Okay. If you see T, 200 is added. Now convert into tuple. Okay. You have in tuple now. In this way you can do it. Okay. First you need to how to add elements in tuple. Convert the tuple to list. Add elements. Again convert list to tuple. That's it. Clear this part. Understanding, right? How to take it. Okay. These are some things that we are dealing with this tuple. Okay. Got it at everything clear, right? Related to tuple. And these are only some inbuilt methods that you have for tuple. Okay. Some more like for list we have so many. I'll be tell you for string and list we have so many. We'll be discussing on those things in one of the class. Don't worry about any inbuilt methods. Everything like related to coding. Maybe it is advanced coding also. That methods also I'll be using in this programming, Python programming.
Thank you for watching. Practice working with tuples. And let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for part 18. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sklassics Technologies.